What's up, everyone? Real quick, just wanted to touch on something that I feel like other people just could have done faster. So here we go. 2013 GMC Sierra. This one's a Denali, but that one doesn't really matter for what you're doing. Okay. These are your low beams. These are your high beams. The reflector gives it away. Okay. From the back side, what did I do? I undid the mass airflow sensor. Here's the clip. Pulled it off, pulled the intake out. The intake actually sits in here with some rubber grommets, so you can actually just pull up and it'll come out. Don't, you won't break it unless you're He-Man, so just don't act like that. Okay, so from the back down here, lower is the high beam, and then the higher one, hidden right there, is going to be your low beams. So high beam, low beam. I know that makes a lot of sense that they're backwards. They are two different parts. The H11 is your top part there, which is the low beam, and down there is your 9005, or your, I think it's H3B or HB3. Take a look, you'll see at AutoZone or whatever. So the passenger side's the easy side, right? You just pull out the air box. I set mine down and then just reverse set my air filter in it on the ground. Don't set your air filter on something dirty though. Don't do that. That's not helpful. All right, then this is the piece of shit side. Okay, this is the side you're gonna hate. So you have this plate. This plate actually sits right on top of your windshield wiper reservoir. Okay, there's like, I don't remember what. Let's see, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, 3 bolt, 4 bolt, 5 bolt, 6 bolt, 7 bolt. Okay, you have to remove all of those if you want to be able to move this around. Now, some of you smarter folks might be looking, saying, wait, I could maybe just remove the one middle one in the group of 3. That doesn't work. I tried it as well. This will bump up against the metal plate, which is, you lose it. So to be able to get at the low beam, you have to do this. You have to remove that plate so that you can pull this back. Otherwise, you're never going to get to your, in this case, your low beam, and then your high beam is lower down. I'll show it to you real quick. Whoop. Give me a look. You should, hopefully you can see that. Right, and see the upper one hidden there. Okay, so that's the configuration. You don't have to go through removing. You don't have to go through removing the reservoir for, removing the battery plate, spare battery plate, and moving the reservoir if you're only doing the high beam down low. That's the H11. If you're only doing that, you'll be able to get at it. Good for you. However, one thing to be aware of is you have a wire clip that is hiding. Let me get my hand under here. You have a wire clip. I hope you, oh, it's a black glove, so you can't see my finger wiggling. Right here, there is a wire clip. That's holding the wires to your headlamps, okay? So don't fight that. Pull that wire out of that wire clip, and then you'll be able to turn your headlamps the required 90 degrees to install them. So that's it. That's how you do a stock, stock set of headlamps. Don't go HID, that's just silly and it's not better. Anyway, maybe more will follow, maybe it won't. I just did a search on YouTube and I didn't like the answers I got, so here's my try to see if I can improve it. Best, y'all. Bye.